Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who struggles with dry, frizzy hair or split ends, you know how frustrating it can be to find the right product that truly transforms your hair. Well, today we're talking about a game changer in the world of hair care, the dalla Palma Special Effects Instant-Restructuring Leave-In Conditioner. This product promises to hydrate, repair, and smooth your hair with just a few spritzes. But does it actually deliver on those lofty claims? Let's find out together. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our honest beauty reviews. Now let's break down the key features of this leave-in conditioner. With its rich formulation, this product claims to target damaged hair by preventing split ends, boosting moisture, and adding that glossy, healthy shine we all crave. Its lightweight formula is designed to hydrate hair from root to tip, making it feel smooth and revitalized. With regular use, it promises to help eliminate frizz, protect color, and leave your strands looking glossy and luxurious. And of course, as with all dalla Palma products, it's made in Italy, which is a huge selling point if you're into high-quality, professional-grade beauty products. I've been using this leave-in conditioner for about a week now, and here's what I've noticed. First off, the texture is light and smooth, which is great because it doesn't weigh down my hair. When applying it, I could immediately feel it absorbing into my strands without any greasy residue. It's super easy to incorporate into my hair routine. I simply spritz it onto damp hair after washing, and then I comb through. As someone who deals with frizz and dry ends, I'm always looking for something that can bring back that healthy, shiny look. And I have to say, I was impressed. After drying my hair, it felt noticeably softer, smoother, and definitely shinier. My hair was more manageable, and the frizz seemed to be controlled even on humid days. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. On the positive side, I love how it helps with shine without making my hair feel heavy or sticky. It really does smooth the strands, which is fantastic for anyone with frizzy or dry hair. It also does a great job at hydrating, leaving my hair soft and touchable. I also appreciate that it offers color protection, which is crucial for anyone with dyed hair. On the flip side, I will say the scent is a bit strong for my liking. While it's not unpleasant, it lingers a bit longer than I'd prefer. Also, for those with super fine or oily hair, you may want to be careful with how much you use, as it could potentially weigh your hair down if you apply too much. In terms of value for money, this product definitely leans towards the luxury end of the spectrum. It's priced higher than your average leave-in conditioner, but considering the quality of the formulation and the results it delivers, it may be worth the investment for anyone seeking professional-level results at home. The 5.1 ounce bottle should last a while, so if you're looking for something that can handle your hair concerns without compromise, this could be a great option. When comparing this to other leave-in conditioners on the market, it stands out with its focus on both hydration and color protection. Many leave-in conditioners hydrate, but not all of them claim to help with color retention or offer such a high gloss finish. Plus, its lightweight formula sets it apart from thicker, more greasy alternatives that can be difficult to manage. The build quality of the product itself is excellent. The packaging is sleek, with a spray nozzle that dispenses the right amount of product each time. It's practical, easy to use, and doesn't make a mess. As for longevity, it's still early days, but based on my experience so far, I think this product will last a good while, especially considering the small amount you need to achieve results. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, I haven't had to interact with dalla Palma's customer service yet, but based on the brand's reputation, I'm confident that any inquiries or issues would be handled professionally. They're known for their high-quality customer support, and it's clear that they take pride in their products. If you're considering alternatives, you could find similar hydrating leave-in conditioners at a lower price point, but many of them may not offer the same level of color protection or shine. If you're on a budget, something like the OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Leave-In Conditioner could offer a more affordable option. but it might not deliver quite the same luxurious finish as this one. To sum up, the dalla Palma Special Effects Instant-Restructuring Leave-In Conditioner lives up to its claims. It hydrates, repairs, adds shine, and tames frizz, all in one lightweight product. I would definitely recommend it to anyone with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, as it addresses multiple hair concerns. It's a bit pricier, but if you're willing to invest in high-quality hair care, this is a great option. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.